Chapter 3: Definition and Nature of Planning. Planning is a systematic approach to establishing objectives, identifying the necessary action to achieve those objectives, and formulating a strategy to fulfill organizational aims. This process entails forecasting potential challenges and opportunities, crafting strategies, and organizing resources to ensure success. The significance of planning lies in its ability to provide direction, mitigate uncertainty, and align efforts with the organization's objectives. It is an ongoing and adaptive process that necessitates modification in response to changing circumstances. Types of plans. Various types of plans exist, each designed to fulfill distinct roles in the pursuit of organizational goals. Strategic plans. These are long-term plans that outline the overarching direction and priorities of the organization, generally spanning a period of 3 to 5 years or longer. Such as plans are typically formulated senior management. Tactical plans. These are shorter term plans that convert strategic objectives into actionable steps. Usually, crafted by middle management, these plans concentrate on achieving specific goals within a year or less. Operational plans. These plans address the daily operations of the organization, detailing the specific activities and tasks necessary for effective businesses management. They are highly specific and are developed by lower level management. Contingency plans. These plans are created to prepare for unexpected events or crises that may disrupt the organization's operation.